Hey guys, what's going on? Jerry here with 3DHP. It's giveaway time. I finally got to 2,500 subs. Well, sort of. The other day I hit 2,505. I started telling everybody about it, and then next thing you know, 40 of them dropped off. It's like, wow, what happened? I don't know. But anyway, it's slowly starting to climb back up. And I was going to have the giveaway this Saturday, but Murph is going on, and so many people won't be able to be involved and watch the stream. So I'm moving it to July 3rd, 1 p.m. Pacific. I'll have a post out for it within a week in advance, so I'll have a post out in a few days. And I've got tons of people sponsoring me on this giveaway. I've got Printed Solid, for example. They're giving away 6 rolls of filament. There'll be 3 drawings, 2 rolls to each winner of their choice of Jesse PLA, free shipping anywhere in the USA. We've got Sanix. He's giving away 1 model of your choice anywhere in the world, 1 STL. You can download it and print it out. That'll be from Sanix. I've got Tony Chambers from 3D Model Crowdfund over on Facebook. He has a lot of models commissioned. He sells tons of really cool models, and he's donating a $100 credit to any one person that wins to buy from him, download his models, and reprint them. Chris Zendrick, a good friend of mine over on Facebook, he's donating a large bottle of Elegoo water washable resin, and that will be USA only. ZYLTECH, I'm having 3 giveaways with ZYLTECH. Each giveaway will be 1 roll of PLA, Bahama Blue, or Seagrass Teal. That'll be a total of 6 rolls. That'll be 3 drawings. That's USA only. McWeen 3D down in Florida is going to have a coupon code for 2 winners, $45 each, where you can go on his site and you can pick out stuff up to $45 each, and he will have free shipping. That will be USA only. Dennis Moore, 3D figure print, I believe it is giving away 2 models from, I will show the pictures online at the time, and they should be in the link in the description below the video, from 3DXM, 2 different models, and then 2 different models from his Chibi STLs. So that will be 2 giveaways there, and that's worldwide. TH3D Studio, Tim over at TH3D is donating his 1 EasyABL Pro Kit. That'll be for 1 winner in the USA only. 3D Wicked Patreon is donating 3 models from his Patreon. It'll be 3 different drawings that will be worldwide, where you'll get a statue and a bust of that statue from his site. He has tons and tons of really awesome work, and each winner will receive a diorama basically, and then a bust to go with it, and that'll be 3 winners. That'll be worldwide. Coex 3D, let's see. 2 spools, 1 winner, PLA, PETG, or ABS. So they're donating 2 spools, and that is USA only from Coex. I believe I wrote that down correctly. Let's see, EM3D, Marcus over at Ethan Makes. It will be donating some codes anywhere in the world. If you have an iPhone 10 or above, you can download a scanning app to scan different objects and 3D print them. He will be donating codes for that. AutoDrop 3D Mike has sent me over money, so I can. He is paying for 3 rolls of Jesse PLA. They're yellow, and that will be USA only. 1 winner will get 3 rolls of yellow Jesse PLA, and that's from AutoDrop Mike. Maker's Hub is donating a roll of PLA also, USA only. I have to confirm where that's coming from, but Maker's Hub over on Facebook, he has an awesome group. Daniel will be donating 1 roll. Matt German in the UK, which has Tactical 3D, is I think the name of his site on Facebook. I'll have a link in the description once the post goes out for the live stream. He makes really cool lithophanes, and he has 2 lithophanes that he 3D printed. I'll show pictures during the stream. And he puts like a color background on them, and you put a light behind them, they pop with color. They're really super cool. He's going to mail those out, already printed to 2 different winners in the UK only. That'll be UK only. And let's see, and Nico is donating 2 different models. He's going to choose the models, and Nico at Nico Industries is donating 2 STLs that you can print out. And I've got a hold of a few companies regarding printers. They haven't got back to me. I'm trying to work something out. But even without the printers, this is so much stuff. And for only 2,500 subs, it's huge. It's awesome. I love it. It's going to be exciting. And my co-host is going to be Tim from DeWitt 3D up in Canada. I was having a brain fart there. Yeah, Tim is going to be my co-host to help me keep track of all this. I'll put out a Google Doc. I'll spin the wheel, the names on the screen, and then when I do the drawing for Matt German in the UK, I'll probably use StreamYard's giveaway program. I'll have you put a type a, whatever you call it, type a word in the chat, and we'll do that drawing. So, you know, please share this. Please let everybody know. It's going to be July 3rd, 1 p.m. Pacific. It's going to be really cool, and God, I love giving stuff away. And thank you, everybody, for helping me get up over 2,500 subs. I really appreciate it, and I keep trying to do great content. So please like, subscribe, share, ring that bell to be notified the next time I go live or do a live stream. And I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you very much, and happy printing, guys. And I'll see you then.